Hello, if you're a nursing student at Capital, I'm hoping that this video will be particularly helpful for you. This is specifically for nursing students who are looking for evidence-based and peer-reviewed articles from a library database. Many times you can't find appropriate or academic level information just, on the open web, and so we have a database that can be very beneficial for nursing students in their research. So the first step is you're just going to go to the Capital homepage, capitalcc.edu. Then you're going to click on the word library at the top of the screen. From there, you're going to find articles. It's the third tab over, and you're going to click on that. You're going to scroll down until you get to the Nursing and Allied Health section right over here on the left-hand side, and you're going to click on CINAHL Plus with full text, which is one of the nursing databases that has the most evidence-based and peer-reviewed articles available. So what we're actually going to do is, instead of putting in our search terms and clicking search like we would in Google, we're going to click on advanced search. And the advanced search allows us to make some specific requests of the database. So if we scroll down to the limit your results area, you'll notice that there's a box right here that says limit to peer reviewed. I'm going to check that box. There's also a box right here that says evidence-based practice. I'm going to click on that box. You can see that there are other areas to limit, but we're going to just do those to start. And from there, I'm going to enter my search terms. In this case, let's say I'm doing I need research articles on interdisciplinary collaboration in nursing. And I hit the search button. So on the left-hand side, it's telling me that I'm searching interdisciplinary collaboration and that I'm limiting this to full text, which means I get the entire article, that I'm limiting to peer-reviewed articles and evidence-based practice. So this tells me that there are 1 of 10 of 152 articles available for me to take a look at. And let's say I want to click on this article. When you get into the article, you'll see that it gives me the title, the authors of the article, the source, and some other subjects that are included in the article. And most importantly is really the abstract. So when you're doing research and you're trying to find an article that lends itself well to what you're looking for, the abstract can give you a very quick synopsis or summary of the article to let you know if it's something that's actually going to be beneficial or not. Now you'll notice when I scroll down, I don't actually see my article. So I'm going to go back up, and you'll notice on the left-hand side, in this article, there's actually a PDF full text option. So I'm going to click on that link, and I can actually see the article pop up right here. It tells me that it's 9 pages, and I can look through that article if I wish. I can print it, I can download it. I'm going to go back to my result list. So that is a very quick overview of how to find a peer-reviewed and evidence-based article. If you need additional help, we actually right now are online, and we're in person just a couple days a week. But if you need research help, you can text us at 860-735-3662. You can also utilize our chat, which conveniently just popped up right here. And you can also email us at calibraryresearchhelp@ccc.comnet.edu. We have librarians working from Monday through Thursday, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., Friday, 9 to 5. And hopefully in the fall semester, we'll have some Saturday hours. We currently don't have any right now just because of COVID. But I hope that this helps you, and please feel free to reach out to us should you need more help.